Hi guys, I'm Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here with very short answer type questions. These questions are very useful for competitive as well as for your syllabus. First question is Paradise Lost originally published in which year? Paradise Lost originally published in which year? So this is the first question. The answer of first question is Paradise Lost originally published in 1667 in 10 books. So this is the first question. Yes, Paradise Lost originally published in 1667 in 10 books. कई बार ये क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप में पूछा जाता है कि इस प्रकार से दिस में बी वन वर्ड और शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन. Second question is Paradise Lost. Second question is Paradise Lost concerns how many characters? Paradise Lost concerns how many characters? So the answer of this question is Paradise Lost concerns the Christian story of the fall of man's, the temptation of Adam and Eve by the fallen angel Satan and their expulsion from the Garden of Eden. So this is second question. Now question number third. Paradise Lost was revised into how many books? Paradise Lost को बाद में कितनी बुक्स में रिवाइज किया गया? तो पैराडाइज लॉस्ट वाज रिवाइज्ड इनटू 12 बुक्स आफ्टर publication. Now question number 4. What was the story of उत्तरकांड चैप्टर ऑफ रामायण? उत्तरकांड चैप्टर के जो रामायण में है वो किसके बारे में है? द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज द उत्तरकांड chapter of the Ramayana tells the story of Valmiki's early life as an unnamed highway robber. So dear friends, सभी को ये जानते हैं कि जो पहले वाल्मीकि जी जो थे वो पहले रोवर थे, यानी डाकू का काम करते थे. उसके बाद तो इस प्रकार से इन्हीं के बारे में उत्तरकांड में बताया गया. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. एक्सप्लेन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ सुंदरकांड. सुंदरकांड जो कि रामायण का एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट कांड है. सुंदरकांड किसके बारे में है? सो द स्टोरी ऑफ सुंदरकांड बिगिन विथ हनुमान जी ट्रैवल और टू लंका, हिज मीटिंग विथ सीता जी, हिज किलिंग रावण's sons and his putting Lankas on fire. सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, सुंदरकांड में ये सब चीज़ें बताई गई हैं कि किस प्रकार हनुमान जी ने यात्रा करके सीता जी से मिले और रावण के बेटे को मारा और किस प्रकार से लंका जलाई. सो दिस इज नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. कॉलरेज वाज बोर्न इन विच ईयर? कॉलरेज जी का जो जन्म है वो किस ईयर में हुआ था? सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज कॉलरेज वाज बोर्न इन 1772. 1772. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. Yes. Now question number 7. What was the base of ancient mariner? What was the base of ancient mariner? The rhyme of the ancient mariner is based on supernatural power. जो एंशियंट मैरिनर है वो किसके ऊपर आधारित है? तो इट इज बेस्ड ऑन सुपर नेचुरल पावर. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. This is the answer of क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ सुपर नेचुरल पावर, जिसमें नेचर से भी बढ़ करके सुपर नेचुरल के बारे में बताया जाता है. जैसे आपका सन हो गया, मून हो गया, सुपर नेचुरल पावर के अंतर्गत यही चीज़ें आती हैं. ये नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Question number 8. Chaucer was a soldier in which company? Chaucer was soldier in which company? So Chaucer was soldier in Chaucer was soldier in Artois and Picardy company. The answer of this question is. Now question number 9. What are sonnets? What are sonnets? Sonnets are 14 lines lyric poems. Sonnets are 14 line lyric poems. So yes. Now question number 10. In which year Thomas Torpe got printed all Shakespearean sonnets? Again, in which year Thomas Torpe got printed all Shakespearean sonnets? The correct answer of this question is Thomas Torpe got printed all Shakespearean sonnets in 1709. In 1709. Now question number 11. John Donne was born in which year? John Donne was born in which year? So John Donne was born in 1572. 1572. Now question number 12. Who was the founder of the Metaphysical School of Poetry? So John Donne was the founder of Metaphysical School of Poetry. John Donne was the founder of the Metaphysical School of Poetry. Question number 13. In what age Pope composed thousands of verses? Pope composed thousands of verses before the age of 16th. Before the age of 16th. Now question number 14. The Rape of the Lock was published in which year? So the Rape of the Lock was published in 1712. 1712. Now question number 15. In which year Alexander Pope was born? In which year Alexander Pope was born? So Alexander Pope was born in 1688. Alexander Pope was born in 1688. And this is the last question. What was the theme of Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner? So the Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner begin with a mariner meeting a man who is en route to a wedding ceremony. सो दीज आर सम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. इसी प्रकार के क्वेश्चंस के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए पंकज इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ इंग्लिश. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. आई होप कि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए होंगे.